Let's discuss about the Spinbox widget, which is a type of entry widget with some advanced features. So when I say it is a type of entry widget, that means there is a rectangular box where user can type their message. And when I say it has some advanced features, that means the Spinbox has arrowheads and it allows the developer to provide a range of numbers that user can select by clicking on the arrowheads. So in this image you can see that there is a rectangular box. User can type the message over here, or he or she can click on this arrowheads to navigate to the available options that is provided by the developer. So let's go ahead and see this. So I have already written the code over here. So here first of all I have imported everything from the Tkinter, and then I will explain this function shortly. Then I have created a window and I have started an infinite loop at the end of this. Now let me go ahead and run this application. So in this application there is years, month and day, and user can select the dates as per their requirement or as per their age, and the moment they will click on this calculate button, their age will be displayed over here. So it's a simple math. I have deducted the current year, that is 2022, minus the year selected by the user. So that's how I am calculating this age. So you can over here you can see that these are the labels: year, month and day. Below these labels you can see 3 spin boxes. So user can select the month, year, date, and they can select the year. Here you can see these are the numbers. These two are the numbers, and month is in a character. So I will show you all the ways like how you can add the character or the numbers in your Spinbox. So let's go ahead and see how we can create this application. So first of all you can see there are 3 labels I have created. So in the previous sections we have learned how to create labels. So that's how I did that. Then I have created a frame, and inside the frame I have kept these Spinbox so that I can align them parallelly. So first this is the variable that I have assigned to the Spinbox, and below that I have provided the name where I want to place it, like the container. So container will be frame, and while writing the Spinbox make sure that S is capital. Then you have to provide the from. So from which value you want to start the Spinbox. So the first value that will appear will be inside the from, and the 2 is the last value that you want. So this is actually a range. So from this value to this value, that will create a range. Width will increase the size of the Spinbox widget. Font equals to F. We have already created a font over here. So we are providing it F over here. Then the pack manager that we are using is the geometry manager that we are using over here is pack, and we have the side that we have set it is left. So that we have set the side equals to left for all of them, so that they all appear in a parallel position. So that's how you can create a Spinbox. If you want to add a string value inside the Spinbox widget, then you have to do it this way. First of all, you have to create a variable, that is a text variable, and you can create it using a string. You have to actually define it as well. So I have defined it over here as a string var, and then value equals to the list of items that you want to see inside that spin widget. So that's how you can create a spin widget. Now if you want to call this spin widget, then you have to create a function, like you can provide a command over here. Or what I have done over here is I have created a button, and I have named the button as calculate, and the command the function that will be triggered over here is print age. So what I am doing inside that function, I have taken a variable with the name age, and age equals to the current year minus the year selected by the user. This get function allows us to fetch the value from the Spinbox or spin widget. So the value is fetched in the string format, so we have to convert it into an integer if you want to make any calculations. Then I have converted it into an integer, and after that I have displayed the message on the label. So this label is also created at the bottom of the window over here. That's how you can create the spin widget. We have provided all the informations related to the available options inside the PDF associated with this video. Next we will talk about the canvas widget.